Do you ever feel confused about how to talk about clothes, fashion, and photos in your IELTS speaking test? Don't worry. Today, we're going to make it super easy.
Welcome back to English Speakology, the place where English becomes simple, fun, and effective.
Today, we're exploring one of the most common IELTS topics: clothes, fashion, and photos.
We'll guide you through Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, just like the real exam, with natural vocabulary, model answers, and speaking tips.
So stay with us all the way to the end for a full practice lesson.
And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your own answers below.
Let's begin with some general questions about clothes.
What type of clothes do you usually wear?
I usually wear casual clothes like jeans, t-shirts, and comfortable sneakers. I prefer simple outfits because they're easy to move in and perfect for everyday activities.
Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, but not too often. I enjoy buying clothes when I really need something, like new shoes or a warm jacket. I'm not someone who shops every week. I prefer quality over quantity.
What kind of clothes are popular in your country?
In my country, people wear a mix of traditional and modern clothes. Young people mostly prefer Western-style clothing like hoodies, jeans, and sneakers. But during festivals, we still wear traditional outfits, which look colorful and beautiful.
Do you take photos of yourself often?
Not very often. I take photos on special occasions. Birthdays, trips, or family gatherings. I like capturing memories, but I'm not someone who takes selfies every day.
What do you usually do with the photos you take?
I save them on my phone or upload them to cloud storage. Sometimes I share them with friends or family. I also like looking back at old photos. They remind me of good times.
Great answers. Notice, quality over quantity, a mix of traditional and modern clothes, capturing memories. These expressions sound natural and help you reach band 8 to 9.
Exactly. Always explain your idea with one or two details.
Now it's time for Part 2. Here's your cue card. Describe your favorite piece of clothing. You should say what it is, how often you wear it, where you got it, and explain why it is your favorite.
One of my favorite pieces of clothing is a dark blue hoodie that I wear all the time. It's simple, soft, and incredibly comfortable. I bought it last year from a local store when I was shopping with a friend. I wear it quite often, especially during cooler weather. It has a relaxed fit, so it feels warm without being too heavy. The material is very soft on the inside, which makes it perfect for staying comfortable during long study sessions or casual outings. I like this hoodie because it has a sentimental value. It reminds me of a fun day I spent with my friend. Also, the color suits me well, and it matches almost everything I own. Another reason I love it is because it feels like my style: simple, practical, and comfortable. Whenever I wear it, I feel relaxed and confident. Even though it's just a hoodie, it has become a small but important part of my wardrobe.
Excellent answer. You added emotions, memories, and small details, exactly what makes a strong Part 2 response.
Yes. Remember, give a story, describe feelings, mention details like color, place, and reason.
How important is fashion to people today?
Fashion is quite important nowadays. For many people, the way they dress represents their personality. Social media also influences trends, so people want to look stylish and express themselves through clothing.
Do you think people spend too much money on clothes?
In some cases, yes. Some people buy clothes just to stay updated with trends, even if they don't need them. However, others prefer buying only essential items. It depends on personal lifestyle and budget.
How has fashion changed compared to the past?
Fashion is more comfortable and casual today. In the past, people dressed more formally. Now, styles are influenced by celebrities, social media, and global cultures. Also, sustainable fashion is becoming popular.
Why do people like taking photos?
People take photos to capture moments, create memories, and share their experiences with others. Photos help us remember important events or simple everyday moments.
Do you think photos are more important now than before?
Yes, definitely. With smartphones, photos have become a part of daily life. People document everything: travel, food, family, achievements. Photos also connect people on social media.
Well done. Notice how Speaker 2 used great connectors like, in some cases, compared to the past, nowadays, and definitely. These connectors help your answers flow naturally.
Yes, and always support your ideas with examples or explanations.
And that brings us to the end of today's lesson on clothes, fashion, and photos.
We practiced Part 1, a sample cue card, and a full Part 3 discussion.
Quick recap. 1. Use descriptive vocabulary. 2. Add small details. 3. Give personal opinion. 4. Keep your answers natural and fluent.
For homework, record a 2-minute answer describing a piece of clothing you love.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow English Speakology for more IELTS practice.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep speaking English.